How to recover disabled Facebook account. I'm going to tell you how to recover your disabled Facebook account. If your account has been disabled, it's usually due to a violation of Facebook's policies, suspicious activity, or security concerns. The first thing you need to do is to visit the Facebook Help Center and look for the appeal form. There, you'll be asked to enter details, including your name, email, and possibly a valid government issued ID. When filing out the appeal, explain clearly and politely why you believe your account should be restored. After submitting the request, you'll need to wait for Facebook to review it. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. So keep an eye on your email for updates. If your appeal is approved, you'll regain access to your account. But if it's denied, you may have to submit another appeal or, in some cases, create another account.